Hello students, now today I'll start accountancy part 2 first chapter, that is rectification of errors. Right, now first of all, what is rectification of error? Rectification of errors means the errors which we have committed during the recording of journal, right? So that we come to know later on, and we want to rectify that journal, then we have to write a rectification journal entry of that original journal. So that is called as rectification of errors. So rectification of errors means जब भी जर्नल लिखते हुए हमने जो मिस्टेक की है, राइट, कि फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव रिटर्न से वी हैव टू राइट डाउन सेल्स बट वी हैव रिटर्न परचेज इंस्टेड ऑफ सेल्स. So we cannot remove that mistake, but we have to rectify that error to making rectification journal entry of that error. Now there are so many types of accounting errors. Now see, that is given on page number 1 in this form, that errors which do not affect the trial balance and errors which affect the trial balance. Right? Whatever error we have committed during the recording of journal, sometimes some of the entry affects the trial balance and our trial balance does not tally at the end, and sometimes there are some errors which affects the trial balance. Now how many errors are there which do not affect the trial balance? The errors which do not affect the trial balance, that will tally at the end of the trial balance, and the errors which affects the trial balance, so that trial balance that will not tally at the end of the trial balance. So now let us see errors which do not affect the trial balance. In the first one, that is errors of omission. Second one, that is errors of principle. Errors of omission, that means the whole transaction completely we have not recorded, that is called as errors of omission. Errors of principle. Now what is errors of principle? Now let's see. See, errors of principle, see in that 20, I'll show you that illustration. 20,000 worth machinery purchased is debited to purchase account. Now whenever we purchase any asset, we have to specify that asset in the form of purchase. So we have to debit machinery account, but here they have debited purchase account. मशीनरी को डेबिट करना था बट उन्होंने परचेज डेबिट कर दिया. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज एरर्स ऑफ ओमिशन. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज एरर्स ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग टू अ रॉन्ग अकाउंट. मीन्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नाउ आई विल शो यू दैट goods of ₹500 sold to Shahid is recorded by mistake as 50 rupees. मतलब we have committed mistake in recording account. We have to record 500 but we have recorded ₹50. So that is errors of recording to a wrong account. The next one is error committed at the time of recording in primary books. Now see that primary book, that means that is subsidiary book, that is a primary book. So errors relating to that subsidiary book, in that first one, that is in that first one, that is transaction recorded in correct book by more or less amount. right, ये था, ये हमने देख लिया. ये जो थर्ड वाला है, एरर्स ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग टू अ रॉन्ग अकाउंट. रॉन्ग अकाउंट मीन्स वी हैव टू पे 500 रुपीज़ टू शाहिद, बट वी हैव रिकॉर्डेड इन द समीर्स अकाउंट. शाहिद में रिकॉर्ड करना था बट समीर में रिकॉर्ड कर दिया. सो दैट इज रिकॉर्डिंग टू अ रॉन्ग अकाउंट. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज एरर्स कमिटेड एट द टाइम ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग इन प्राइमरी बुक्स. Primary books, that means subsidiary books. So in their first one is transaction recorded in correct book by more or less amount. तो ये 500 रिकॉर्ड करना था बट रिकॉर्ड हो गया 50 रुपीज़. देन आफ्टर ट्रांजेक्शन रिकॉर्डिंग इन रॉन्ग सब्सिडरी बुक. रॉन्ग सब्सिडरी बुक, दैट मीन्स गुड्स ऑफ ₹800 सोल्ड टू पायल इज रिकॉर्डेड बाय मिस्टेक इन परचेज बुक. वी हैव सोल्ड गुड्स टू पायल. we have to record this in the sales book, but by mistake we have recorded that in purchase book, right? The next one is transaction recorded in wrong subsidiary book with wrong account. So see, goods of rupees 400 returned from Pradeep is wrongly recorded in purchase book as 4000. 400 का गुड्स रिटर्न किया है, सो दैट वी हैव टू रिकॉर्ड इन परचेज रिटर्न बुक, बट वी हैव रिकॉर्डेड दिस इन रॉन्ग सब्सिडरी बुक विथ रॉन्ग अमाउंट. सो वी हैव रिकॉर्डेड दिस इन परचेज बुक इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट परचेज रिटर्न, and we have recorded 4000 instead of this 400. So wrong subsidiary book with wrong amount. And the next one type, that is compensatory error. Now what is compensatory error? See illustration. I'll directly show you that the illustration, because from the illustration you can easily understand this point. 100 is debited instead of 1000 to Ram's account, and 1000 is debited instead of 100 Shyam's account. Ram and Shyam, there are two persons. From the Ram account 100 is debited instead of 1000 to Ram's account. Ram से हमें लेना था 1000, but we have recorded 100 rupees. And from Shyam we have to take 100, but we have debited 1000. So this is compensatory error. The next one is errors which affect the trial balance. Errors recording posting, and errors regarding balance of an account, errors in totaling the subsidiary book, and errors committed at the time of preparing the trial balance. Now see, errors of posting. Now see in that illustration, goods of rupees 7000 sold to Mitesh is correctly recorded in sales book, but the posting in Mitesh's account is omitted. 7000 posting is totally omitted. So this is regarding errors which do not affect the trial balance. If we have not recorded this transaction, there cannot be any chance for committing or arising error कि ट्रायल बैलेंस में कुछ 7000 का डिफरेंस आएगा. That will not be done because 7000 we have not recorded. So ultimately our trial balance that will tally at the end of the month. Then after posting twice is an account. Posting twice. So see, payment of rent 3000 is recorded correctly in cash book, but by mistake it is debited in rent account. Payment of rent 3000 is correctly recorded in cash book, but by mistake it is debited twice in rent account. मतलब ये रेंट अकाउंट है, उसमें डेबिट साइड ट्वाइस हो गया है 3000, राइट. तो क्या करेंगे, एरर को रिमूव करने के लिए यहाँ पे 3000 रिकॉर्ड कर देंगे. सो दोनों साइड टोटल में से नलिफाई हो जाएंगे. देन पोस्टिंग ऑफ अ रॉन्ग अमाउंट इन एन अकाउंट. रॉन्ग अमाउंट, सी purchase of machinery of 50,000 is recorded in machinery as 5,000. Now see, purchase of machinery, this is machinery account, right? We have to record 50,000 over here, but we have recorded only 5,000. So there is a difference of, we have to record 50,000 in the total amount, right? But we have recorded 5,000, so we have to record still more 45,000 in machinery account. So it is recorded, right? तो ये जब journal solve करेंगे, at that time I will explain that how to write the sentence. Then posting in an account on the wrong side. See, paid commission 300 is credited to commission account. Paid commission rupees 300. Now it is credited. 300 is credited in current account. We have to debit it because paid commission की journal commission account debit तो cash account credit ऐसी आएगी. So commission account debit we have to record 300, but by mistake it is recorded on credit side. Now for the commission we have to record 300. ये तो लिखना ही है. We have to remove this 300 from credit side, so we again add this on debit side, that means we record 600 rupees on debit side, right? So this is how we can rectify our error. In this rectification we have to rectify the errors. Then posting wrong amount on the wrong side of an account. Now see, rent paid of 10,000 is correctly recorded in cash book, but by mistake it is recorded on credit side of rent account by 1,000. Now see, posting wrong amount on the wrong side of an account. Rent paid first of all. So rent we have to record on debit side as rupees 10,000. By mistake it is recorded in correct side, right? Now see, this is our rent account. We have to record 10,000 on debit side in the ledger, but by mistake we have recorded as rent on credit side. So to remove this we have to add this 1,000 rupees over here. We cannot rub out this transaction. Once we have recorded, we cannot remove that or rub out that. We have to pass rectification errors for that, right? This I have already told you at the time of journal. So here is the chapter comes, that is rectification of error, right? So now to remove this 1,000 we have to add this 1,000 over here. So we have to record 11,000 on rent account debit side. So by recording 11,000 on debit side of rent, that error will be rectified. Then the errors regarding balance of an account. Error in finding out the balance of an account. See, the debit balance of purchase account is worked out as 5,000 instead of 15,000. Debit balance of purchase account, ये आना चाहिए था, the total of purchase account that should come 15,000, but by mistake we have recorded only 5,000, right? So difference we have to add only 10,000 rupees. We have recorded only 5,000. We have to record 15,000. So we just add only 10,000 on debit side of purchase account, and then our error will be rectified. Then the next one is error in writing the balance of an account. Now see in that, opening balance of 1 lakh of machinery account is written as 10,000. Now see, on machinery account we have to record 1 lakh rupees, right? But by mistake we have recorded only 10,000. मतलब 90,000 we still more have to add on debit side of machinery account. So by 90,000 recording on debit side of machinery account, our error will be rectified. Now all these types of error that will come in the form of transaction in the sum. So understand this properly. The next one is balance of an account is omitted to be recorded. Omit हो गया हो तो ओरिजिनली रिकॉर्ड ही कर देंगे. सो ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ 50,000 ऑफ मशीनरी अकाउंट रिमेन्स अनरिकॉर्डेड है तो रिकॉर्ड कर दे. तो मशीनरी अकाउंट डेबिट साइड 50,000. Then next one is balance of an account is written on the wrong side. Now see, balance of 800 of Bharat account is written on the credit side, right? Now that we have to record on debit side, but by mistake it is recorded on credit side. To remove this 800 rupees, यहाँ पे 800 तो रिकॉर्ड करना ही है, तो दूसरा और एक 800 रिकॉर्ड कर दे. यहाँ से यहाँ का ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे तो इधर से टोटल में ऐड होगा, तो इधर से 800 लेस हो जाएगा. सो दिस ट्रांजेक्शन विल नलिफाई. So by recording 1600 on debit side, our error will be rectified. Now last one, that is error of an account is written on the wrong side with a wrong amount. Wrong side with a wrong amount. Now see, same illustration. Balance of Bharat 800 is written as 80 on the credit side. Now see, एक तो wrong side लिखना था, इधर लिख दिया, इधर wrong side wrong amount. We have to write down 800, but we have written 80 rupees. So same 800 तो लिखना ही है, यहाँ से यहाँ वाला इधर ट्रांसफ़र कर देंगे. सो वी हैव टू रिकॉर्ड 880 on debit side of Bharat's account, right? So this is how we can rectify our error. So for today, revise all these points, read all these that rectification errors, try to memorize this and try to understand this at home also. So read all these rectification types of errors. So for this is your homework for today, right? So that's all for today.